Hey friends, it's Emily Schutte. I'm here to bring you the new Mary Kay Fall Holiday 2025 line, along with some fall holiday skincare and makeup trends for this year. I've got my holiday inspired earrings and I'm feeling fall. If you love this information, be sure to hit like and subscribe on my video, and let's get started on these new products that I am wearing all over my face. You guys, oh my gosh, thank you so much for being here today to hear about some fall holiday makeup trends and what's new with Mary Kay. You guys, I am not gonna lie, this is the most off the hook product launch Mary Kay has done in forever. Like, I'm gonna try to make this video short, but there's so many incredible products that you are gonna wanna get your hands on. Of course, when you're working with your beauty consultant, she can help customize some of these products for you. But first, oh my gosh, we have to start with the new, the improved, the amazing Mary Kay Retinol 0.3. You guys, this new retinol, okay, I've been using it. This is an unopened one, but I have a new one in my bathroom that I have been using. Here's what's new about retinol. Okay, Mary Kay has had Retinol 0.5 in the past, and you had to put your skin through a retinization process where basically you get used to the retinol, because retinol is essentially vitamin A. It tells your skin cells to turn over more quickly so you can get to those really deep layers of damage that you might have on your face, whether it's uneven skin tone, fine lines, acne, scarring, all the things that we want to get rid of. And this one, okay, so no retinization necessary, meaning you can open up this box here, start using your retinol right away and start seeing results right away. And because there's no retinization process, the results are so much faster. So that's also super exciting. So yay! So that is featured on the front of our new fall holiday catalog is the Retinol 0.3. You guys, listen to this. After 1 week, I can do anything for a week. Deep lines improved, firmness, radiance, and skin tone improved. After 12 weeks, 100%. And you guys, they do like actual scientific studies on this. 100% of women's skin texture was smoother. 100% had less visible blotchiness. That's a huge one. 90% fine lines and wrinkles were less visible. 86% showed a visible reduction in fine lines. Firmness increased by 27%. You guys, so in 12 weeks. So 3 months from now, you could have a 27% increase in firmness, and even skin tone improved by 37%. I have to say this. I've been using my retinol since I got one early at our Mary Kay seminar, and you guys, we went out to eat with my family at this, like, it's called St. Pat's. It's like a Catholic church that has a bar and restaurant next to it. It's, you know, it is what it is. It's fun. And we got burgers and fries and stuff just with our kids. And the waitress was like, she kept looking at me, and then finally she was like, your skin is like the glowiest, nicest skin I have ever seen. And I was like, oh, it's my retinol. I know it is, because that's the only thing I've changed is doing this retinol. So you guys, here's the other cool, great thing about this. 1 pump once a day. That's it. Just a little tiny bit once a day. And so you can see just from putting it on how easy it is to do this retinol, and it's at night. Okay, so you put this on at night, and if you're wondering when to put it on, just whatever products you do, it's the last thing you put on right before moisturizer. That's easy enough to remember. Just remember, before I do moisturizer, I have to do my retinol once a day. Okay, so at night, that's the time that you look into that. It retails for $70. So it's a great, great product, great results, great way. So trend number 1 for the fall holiday, just in general in the marketplace, is still, we're continuing on with that glowy, dewy, glass looking skin that just looks natural and glowing. And you guys, retinol is the perfect way to achieve some of that awesomeness in your routine. Speaking of glowing skin, we have new concealers and under eye correctors in this catalog. So excited about this. The shade range is more comprehensive, and you guys, if you've ever used a Mary Kay concealer, I'm talking you need a speck of a dot of a speck of a dot, and it does not move. You can use the cream color brush to blend it. I highly recommend that because that little brush mimics a finger. They now come back in a tube, which all my acne prone friends rejoice. They got rid of the dip wand, which when you have bacteria on your face and acne prone skin, you don't want to be dipping something in and putting it on your face. So this makes it really easy to just squeeze a tiny little bit out. And I'm talking, friends, like a tiny little bit to get what you need to get the concealing action that you are looking for. Likewise, our under eye corrector comes in 2 shades now. There is a light peach and a deep peach. So my deep beige to bronze ebony skin tone friends, there is a color for you that is not going to make you look ashy, that's not going to wash you out, and it is a deep peach color. And friends, you need like a tiny little bit, but it neutralizes. So the reason peach is so big is peach neutralizes blue and purple. So instead of just covering, like you could totally use a concealer on your under eye circle, but sometimes you conceal it and you look at it and you go, I can still see it. Under eye corrector, instead of covering it, actually neutralizes the tone of it. So it takes your skincare to next level. And since glowing skin is so in for fall holiday, you are going to want to get your hands on that. Just a few dots, life proof, dot proof. It's so easy. So it has vitamin E, it has plant derived ingredients like glycerin. So that means hydration. So it's not going to accentuate little crepey lines we can sometimes get as we get older, right? And it has licorice extract, which is helps with discoloration. So, I mean, there's also some skincare kind of going on within these. And they don't flake, and it feels weightless, and you can blend it. It feels so good. Look at these shades. They retail, so this is the light peach and the deep peach. They retail also for $18. And obviously this is way more than any one person would use, but I want you to see that when you blend that out, it is gonna help just reduce the appearance of that under eye circle, and they feel amazing and they look great. And no fall holiday collection would be complete without some super fun glamour products that I am modeling for you today, featured in our catalog. We have 2 of these incredible limited edition. Okay, limited edition means once they're gone, palettes. Okay, and there are 2 of them. Look at these, you guys. So this one is called Outer Glow, and this one is called Inner Fire. And see how they come with a fabulous mirror, and they look so pretty, and they're easy to transport and take with you, and it features the colors. So the Inner Fire, you guys, listen to these. Okay, so just to give you some scoop on what's in for eyeshadows in the fall holiday. First off, metallic and icy accents. Girl, we got you right here in these. And warm toasted shades. So listen to some of the shade names in the Inner Fire: Ignited Ivory, Gold Greatness, Radiant Bronze, Hot Clay, Fiery Coral, and Bring It Brown. Hello, that's fun. And then in the Outer Glow, we have Glistening Aura, Lilac Sparks, Hearts of Flame, Smoke and Taupe, Pink Inferno, and Fierce Purple. Okay, so speaking of metallic-y accents, a lot of these, you can't necessarily see it in my video, but they are extremely shimmer, which is so great. So that's your metallic and icy accents. Now, whenever I apply metallic eyeshadow, I like to pat it with my brush so it doesn't end up everywhere. As far as which palette to pick, girl, you could do both. I mean, come on. Or kind of pick based on your undertone, right? I find this one, the Outer Glow, is better for my cool skinned friends. Like maybe you have more of a pink undertone, lighter eyes. And if you have a warmer undertone, I really, this is the one I like. I do have blue eyes, but I have a warm undertone. I love this Inner Fire, is so pretty, but I love mixing in shades from here. So it's like, which one should I do? You can't just pick one. They're so great. And they are that Chroma Fusion eyeshadow, which is, it doesn't crease, and it just looks fabulous for hours on your eyelids. These retail for $40. So it's a great deal because you're getting 6 large eyeshadows. And you guys, these palettes will take you all the way through winter to into spring. So that's a great thing. But again, limited edition. Once they're gone, they're gone. So chat with your beauty consultant about that and about which one might be best for you. did it, you guys. They did it. They came out with some cream blushes. Again, cream blushes are limited edition, okay? Meaning once they're gone, and they are 20. They retail for 20. But you guys, these cream blushes, okay, I'm wearing one. I'm biased to the Coral Bliss one. It just gives you a pop of like that youth, that glow. Cream blushes are one of the single best ways, okay, to get that glow, get that glassy looking skin. And it comes in 4 different shades. We have Coral Kiss, that's the one I'm wearing. We have Soft Buff, which looks also really, really incredible. We have Pink Stars. And you guys, these also are gift ready. They're lightweight with wear, and they won't clog your pores or anything like that, which I love. And then Passion Fruit is the last one. And while the company doesn't recommend that, we recommend you put products on different things. One of the other trends in makeup and skincare this winter is monochromatic looks, meaning your cheeks and your lips are a similar tone, maybe even something on your eyes that's similar. So I'm rocking the Passion Fruit in that video I just showed you on my lips in addition to my cheeks, and it just gives you a little tiny hint of color, which is really super fun. And we love to do that and use products for various things. And guys, let's not forget these lips, because we are coming into what I like to call official lip picking season, where your lips get so dry, you need constant hydration on your lips. Mary Kay has the answer. There are 2 shades of limited edition. Again, that word that you hear a lot. Tinted lip balms. You guys, these are always so popular. We have Coral Blaze. I am wearing the Radiant Pink. Okay, burgundy lips are in. This is a non-committing way. Like if you don't want to marry burgundy lips, you just want to go on a little date here and there this fall, this is the color, because they're a little sheer. So you can see the burgundy, or the Radiant Pink going on. And then we also have this amazing Coral Blaze color. So if you want super natural, I would highly recommend the Coral Blaze. If you like to have a little bit more of a pop of color, you're gonna wanna do that Radiant Pink. And you guys, these are so super hydrating. They feel amazing on your lips. Now, in case you thought, did Mary Kay forget about my fabulous body? Oh no, I'm telling you friends, we have everything. We have glamour, we have skincare to make you look dewy, and we have essential body care items. We have Mary Kay Body Oil, and it is the new Confidently You fragrance. And you can get this in a bundle with the fragrance, but you guys, this smell is everything. My daughter loves it, all the Gen Zs love it, I love it, everybody loves it. Okay, everybody loves this fragrance. And as you can see, it's called Silkening Dry Oil. So even though it's oil, it doesn't feel oily, and it's so hydrating. So what I love to do, as you can tell, I haven't had this bottle very long, and look at this. Look at it, we're already down here. It's like it got a little liberal with it. But I like to take a bath and even just put a little bit of this in the bath, and then I get out and I just rub it all over my skin, and I just feel so hydrated. The other thing you can do, which is really popular for this time of year, is to kind of get a glistening collarbone. Okay, so you can take just a little bit of this oil, and you just put a little bit on your hand, and you just kind of put a little bit in that collarbone area. I don't know if you can see my glistening collarbone, but anyway, and you just get a hint of the fragrance. Now, if you're someone who's a little bit more sensitive to perfumes, I tend to err on that side. This isn't super scented, okay? So even if you aren't, you can't tolerate really heavy scents, this would be something great. It retails for $24, and it comes in this beautiful bottle. I love this product, but it's also just great, I don't know, just for me. Like, I don't care if I don't sell any of them. I just want it for me. And last, but certainly not least, is our classic Mary Kay foot lotion, Mint Bliss Energizing Lotion for feet and legs. Smells like peppermint chip ice cream, feels amazing. It's cooling on your feet. Once again, this year, you are gonna get this fabulous pair free. Okay, so you pay for the lotion, which retails for $12. You get free fuzzy socks, okay? Now, you guys, I love, bows are so in right now. I love fuzzy socks. It's a great gift idea, right? If you don't like fuzzy socks, you might have to unsubscribe. I don't know that we can be friends. I'm kidding. But also, like, fuzzy socks, you guys, they feel really, really nice. So these feel incredible, and it's just kind of a fun little extra pampering something that you can give yourself or someone else, and it's just, I don't know, just makes it fun during this holiday season. I hope you so enjoyed learning some trends, some Mary Kay product trends, and just some things to kind of be ready for this fall holiday season. And I know sometimes it can feel really overwhelming, like there's a lot of different products, and working with an independent beauty consultant really helps that. So if you don't have one, I would love to be her. There are details on how to work with me in the description of this video. If you have a beauty consultant, make sure to get with her because she can definitely help you out. But you know what? I get it. I'm just finding right now people are enjoying just kind of pampering themselves a little bit, giving themselves that one quick little pick-me-up, whether it's a new tinted lip balm. It's like you need lip balm anyway for the holidays. Why not get something that, I don't know, just gives you a little bit of color too, or maybe some body oil, or maybe one of these fabulous new, you guys, I'm so big on these. I love these new palettes. Oh, and fun tip. Okay, if you own one of Mary Kay's magnetic palettes, you can actually take these out of here and stick it in one of those too. Just a fun little tip for staying till the end of my video. I so appreciate you. And I hope you have the most fabulous fall holiday season.